Tired of wrist pain and discomfort after long hours at the keyboard? This all-in-one ergonomic combo is built to ease the pressure on your hands and wrists, letting you type effortlessly and stay relaxed throughout your workday. If you're looking for a way to protect your wrists without sacrificing performance, this kit deserves a closer look. The keyboard's unique split 3D curved design separates the keys into two groups for your left and right hands. This setup reduces the outward bending of your wrists, helping prevent common issues like carpal tunnel syndrome and repetitive strain injury. Plus, the durable wave-shaped layout includes 12 multimedia keys and a 4-way tilt-scrolling wheel right in the middle for easy navigation. Slim and naturally ergonomic, the keyboard features curved keytops and an integrated adjustable palm rest stand. This encourages a neutral wrist position, which means less fatigue and more comfort during extended typing sessions. The thoughtful design supports your hands in a way that feels natural and reduces strain, making it ideal for anyone who types a lot. Complementing the keyboard is a wired vertical mouse with a 5-button layout and adjustable DPI settings at 1000 and 1600. Its vertical design encourages a handshake grip, which is easier on your wrist and forearm muscles. Both the keyboard and mouse come with 5 9-foot cables, giving you plenty of room to arrange your workspace comfortably. Installation is a breeze with the plug-and-play feature, no drivers needed. Compatible with Windows 7, 8, and 10, this combo is ready to use right out of the box. The package includes the keyboard, vertical mouse, armrest, a movable magnet for height adjustment, and a manual, all backed by a 12-month limited warranty. One software developer shared how the combo transformed their daily routine. The keyboard's layout feels comfortable, and the vertical mouse fits well in hand. Although it takes a bit of getting used to the mouse's height, the ergonomic benefits quickly become clear, making long coding sessions much more manageable. If you're serious about reducing wrist strain and improving your typing comfort, this ergonomic keyboard and mouse combo offers a practical solution. It's designed to support your hands naturally, helping you work smarter and feel better. Worth a look if you spend hours at your computer and want to protect your wrists. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your workspace with a setup that prioritizes your comfort and health. The all-in-one ergonomic combo is more than just a keyboard and mouse. It's a way to make your daily typing experience smoother, safer, and more enjoyable.